All right, so first non-oil change job of the day is what was it?
Thermostat.
A thermostat. So as you can see, he's getting in there, tearing it up. I'm just kidding, you probably can't see that, but that's Caesar. He's the boy that's gonna be teaching you what to do. All right, so we're gonna be taking that housing out, and then after that, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, see if I can get in there and zoom in for you so you can see where it's at. And also with this one, you have to do a coolant flush. Why is that?
You want to get all that moisture out, dirtiness out.
All right, so as you can see, that's that coolant draining out. All right, let me see if I can get in there and show you what we're changing. There we go. So you see that? That is the thermostat right there. Getting all that coolant out, and as I said, we gotta get that flush going. Look at that. So as you can see, that coolant's a little bit of a darker color, by the way. So if your coolant looks like that, you gotta get that flush regardless. All right, so we drained all the coolant out, and he's now taking off that thermostat. There it is. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, now that was right in there. Let me see if we can get the flashlight, get a brighter view real quick. There we go. All right, now it's time to put the new one in there. All right, so we already got that new part in. That's it right there. Now, as you can see the space, I didn't get to show you the installation because the tech was in there, but that's exactly where it goes. All right, so one thing we haven't covered yet are the tools we're using for this job. So I'm gonna pass it to Caesar so he can tell you exactly which tools we're using.
Well, first, 10mm socket, 1/4" ratchet, 10mm wrench, and extension.
Thank you, Caesar. All right, so now we have Caesar putting coolant in there. Now we're gonna put some conditioner. That way we clean out any deposits or anything that are actually in the radiator. And then we're gonna flush that out again and put some brand new fresh coolant in there. All right, so we finished that thermostat. So the thing is, we test drove it and we had to make sure that it got to the right temperature, make sure that light didn't come back on, because you do need to clear that thermostat light to make sure it's all done. But that's how you change your thermostat. And what kind of vehicle was that?
That's a Honda Civic SI.
A Honda Civic SI. Stay tuned for more tutorials and walkthroughs.